So for this lesson, I'm using a worksheet that I created using an online idea that I found. Poster paper, markers, meter stick, a little bit of smartboard presentation, some handouts, a Venn diagram that I gave them. I chose the worksheet because it was a good way for them to investigate and discover how to compare nonlinear and linear. It was the three are the same, one is different, and the kids, it's a matching thing, so it's something they're familiar with and that they can look at. And it's also had something that was familiar to them in the form of a table of values, so they know how to plug in a number for x, solve that, and then put it into the table. So it had something there. But it also had follow-up questions like graph this and then put it on the thing. And I chose the big poster rather than just individual graphing because I thought it'd be more beneficial and help the kids really in that discussion part. If they had somebody to talk to, I feel that the kids have more opportunity to have those aha moments, because when they're just sitting there by themselves, they're only thinking about themselves and they get frustrated, or if they whiz right through it, there's no like aha moment. There's no, what did you do? Oh yeah, that's a good idea. So even when I was walking around today, I noticed that there were quite a few little ahas. And then the colors, just so they can visually see what was going on. The Venn diagram, it's something new that I'm trying, these graphic organizers, but the kids are familiar with it. So, and then also it gives them a visual aspect of notes rather than just writing it all in, sentence form. They can look at it visually, quickly see something. And I've noticed that's helped them a lot this year to kind of pick up on the keys and then use that to help them to study or do homework or be ready for a quiz or test. They've seen, like I said, the tables before. They've seen equations before. They know how to plot them on a coordinate plane. So they all tie into their math life. I don't know that it necessarily ties into their regular life. I do think the Venn diagram is something that they see across the curriculum in everything that they do, and the concept of it, comparing and contrasting, is something they do in their regular life all the time, be it comparing, contrasting this board if they're going out surfing to another board type of thing, but they can really see that. But I don't know if they're making those connections to their own real life or not.